Hello and welcome to a new video. In today's video I will show you how to calibrate compass on Google Maps. So to do this it's very simple. If the compass is not working on your phone, that means that the direction of that blue dot, like your dot, is not working, and that means that your phone don't know your direction. So to calibrate this, it's very simple. So the first thing that you can do is to delete the app and install it again. To delete Google Maps, you have just to long press on it, and after that click on remove app and click on delete app, and you must install it again, and after installing it again it will restart all the settings of your app. And if this is not working, you have to check also that your internet is working and that everything is good. And you should be sure also that you are giving permission to Google Maps to know your location. And to know that, you have just to go to General, and after that, you have to go to Apps, the last option, and after that type Maps. It will open Google Maps, and you should be sure that it's like you have given the authorization to Google Maps to know your location. So that means that the first option is not set on never, because like that Google Maps can't know your location, and you must activate also the option of precise location. And also, if your phone is on airplane mode, you should turn off the airplane mode. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.